Alright, hey besties, welcome back to the channel. We're hopping right in. As you see, I'm starting off with these. I believe these are extra long tapered coffin tips. Yeah, and I'm just painting them with this milk white that I made. And as you saw by the thumbnail, today I'll be doing green marble nails. It's like a greenish marble with white and yellow accents. If any of y'all are curious how I made my milk polish, well, I had a brain fart. I can make a video on it because I offer these nails on my website, but I can still make a video on it. I don't mind teaching people. That's the problem today. People want to like gatekeep and keep everything to themselves and just like hoard knowledge. I'm a teacher of the world. I like to share my knowledge as much as I can. However, to an extent, I'm not going to tell you certain things, how to do certain things that make my nails unique, but I will tell you like the basics that everyone should know, or how to mix a color, how to make a pigment, how to marble nails. But certain things you keep to yourself. It's okay to gatekeep sometimes, but like basic knowledge, share that. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. Yeah, it's okay to gatekeep certain things that make your business unique, but simple knowledge, like in all the videos that I post and that I give in these videos, are easily findable on YouTube. All you have to do is look up what you want to know, because that's how I learned, and with trial and error. It's nothing wrong with helping someone. Everyone needs help. At a point, we all had a first day, day one of starting what we want to do, and we needed help. And I would like to be the help to someone who doesn't know what they're doing, because I was there and it's hard. As y'all see off camera, I made my marble and I mixed it. Right now I'm just painting my nail with a clear coat so that the marble has somewhere to like slide down and it's not just sitting on the nail. So sorry that it's not focused. I don't know what the heck was going on, but yeah, it's gonna come back into focus, and I'm just dipping it in and I'm placing the marble where I want it. I kind of move it around and I kind of also let it move naturally. Just depends on how I feel. This technique is similar to my previous video when I did the butterfly bay nails. Oh my gosh, this is so out of focus. It's bothering me, but the focus is going to come back. When I did the butterfly bay nails and did the marbling and I was picking it up and I had the glove on and I was cleaning it up with the glove. You're going to see. I'm going to do it all over again in this video. Alright, and now I'm just kind of cleaning it up. I did not have on a glove. I don't know why. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, I didn't have on a glove. Ooh, look at that marble. It looks so good. Okay, now I'm just adding some more colors. I'm adding more yellow because I really, really like that pastel yellow. And I just wanted a bit more of that. And I wanted a bit more of the dark green and the white. And I'm just going to pretty much mix it around with my daughter tool. And yeah. Same as the previous nail, I'm going in with my clear top coat so the marble has somewhere to slide down and it's not just sitting on the top. And yeah, I'm picking up my colors and I'm placing them where I want them. Sometimes I do help them move along a little bit, but not too much, because if you do that, they're going to mix up and turn into one really funky, ugly, nasty color you did not want. I'm gonna be honest, I filmed this video like a few weeks back, so I'm not really sure what I was thinking throughout this whole video, because I did a lot of things very weird, i.e. the main one being me not wearing a glove while cleaning up a nail. And I don't know where I was wiping my finger, because there's a ton of polish and I don't know where it was going. But yeah, and this color combination, I really don't know how I came up with it. It turned out nice, but I really don't know where I got the idea from. I would love to reach back into my brain those weeks back and see what was going on. But anywho, let's talk about the channel a little more. It is August the 2nd. Yes, I'm recording this in the same day and posting it I'm slightly behind in videos. My fault. A little lazy. Editing is hard for me. No, let me take that back. Editing is not hard, it's the voiceovers. I just don't know what to talk about, so I kind of play music. And I said I didn't want to play music anymore, but I kind of did that yesterday. Yeah. But for the month of August, I want to post a video every single day. Don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I have some videos, it's just I don't have voiceovers or any music over them, even though we're not supposed to be doing music. But I just don't have anything completed yet. But I'm gonna figure it out. I'm up for the challenge. I believe there's 30 days in this month, maybe 31. I've been out of school for quite some time, so don't judge me. But yeah, I am going to post a video every single day this month, and it's not going to be all nail related. It's going to be vlogs and life and maybe a mukbang because I like food. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's how I'm coming this month. I don't want to say I want to post. I'm going to say I'm going to post because then it kind of puts some pressure on me to be like, damn, you promised to post, now you gotta post, and you gotta keep being creative, and you gotta keep going. Also, I really want to get into TikTok, but it's so confusing. Like, I need to figure out how to convert these long 10, 20, 25-minute videos into like a minute, 3 minutes max, and keep people's attention. It's hard, but I'm gonna figure it out like I'll figure everything else out. Also, I really want to get into Instagram. I don't understand Instagram. I know how to post a picture, post on a story, but I really want to get into Reels and learning more of that. Yeah, I'm going to figure that out in the month of August. I'm excited. It's going to be a good time. All right, you see all of them are done for one hand, and I'm just going in, I'm cleaning up the bottom. I do not know why I don't have a glove on. I don't know what I was going through this day. I just gave no F's and I was just wiping this polish off with my hand. Okay, and you guys might see that I didn't shave down the tips. Again, I don't know what I was going through that day, but I do end up shaving them down in the end. Alright, now I'm just going to show you guys me doing the second hand and everything, and it's pretty much the same exact thing over again. Then we're going to go and put on our top coat. Today I will be using a matte top coat. I don't know, I was just really been into mattes lately, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. When I'm filming these videos, sometimes I just wonder, are you guys bored? Like, am I boring? I know the music kind of made things a bit boring because there's literally no interaction. And even though people wouldn't consider YouTube a social media app, I consider it a social media app. And like, you have to interact to grow your audience. You have to talk to your audience. And I'm still learning because I'm pretty new to this. I don't use this. I'm a Twitter girl. Like, I've been a Twitter girl from the start. Like, that's all I use. And I interact all the time on there, but here it's like a different ball game. You have to really show yourself, if that makes sense. And it's just so different for me, but I'm still trying to get used to it. I really want to get into making makeup videos because I really do enjoy doing makeup a lot, a lot, a lot. I enjoy doing my own makeup, but I don't enjoy doing others' makeup, if that makes sense. Of course, that makes sense. Oh, God. But yeah, I really want to get into that. I filmed that before, but I deleted it because I didn't think I looked good. So yeah, I do have a hair video coming up because I recently released a natural hair butter. So I have a video of me actually making it and formulating it and bottling it. And then I also have a demo, and it's going to be all one video, like a demo video of me doing my hair, taking it out, and then showing you the results from my product. That was a really fun video to make. I enjoyed it because it was something very different than what I'm usually making, which is nail videos. I filmed so many nail videos, nail videos, nail videos. It's gonna be kind of fun to put something that I like up, hair videos. Even though I do enjoy nails, but I just don't want to be just a nail page, if that makes sense, because I feel like it's gonna get boring AF and that's not what I'm looking for. And also, I trying to find a day where I can do a vlog. So maybe like a day in the life of a business owner and like watching me create. I don't know. I'm still brainstorming. I have a bit of time. It's only the 2nd of August. So yeah. Alright, boom besties. Now you just see me about to apply the matte top coat. I don't recall what brand it is, but yeah, I'm just applying the matte top coat and then the nails will be complete. Also, I want to state again that I did file these nails off of camera. You can find these nails on my website under Moss Abstract. The link will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye.